Election Commission of India (ECI) gi Chief Election Commissioner 𝗩𝗢𝗓 na ngasi taranipan suba Lok Sabha gi mikhal phase 8 thokna April 18 dagi pangthokpa hauragani haina Delhi gi Vigyan Bhavan da pangthokiba press conference amada lauthokre. Lok Sabha gi seat 494 gi damakta pangthokadoriba mikhal asigi masing June 3 da thigani aduga June 3 ta mikhal gi thabak pumnamak loisengani haiki. Amaromda Imphal gi Lamphel patalaiba Chief Electoral Office ki Officer gi officer pangthokiba paugi mifam amada CEO 𝗓𝗡𝗓 𝗔𝗣𝗥 pangthokadoriba mikhal asigi matangda akupa wafam sing sugaina phongdokre mahakna hai Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency gi vote lakliba April 18 da thadagani Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency gi na April 16 ta thadagani Manipur gi oina phase 1 amadi phase 2 khaidokpaga loinana April 18 da pangthokadoriba Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency gi mikhal asigi oina Gazette notification March kunda thoklagani mirep che pisin begi aroiba numit March 13 ta oigani amadi mirep sing asigi scrutiny na mathangi numit March 19 da pangthokani mirep che lauthokpagi aroiba numit na March 19 da oigani mikhal April 18 da pangthoklaba matung June 3 da vote masing thigani ahanba phase ta pangthokadoriba mikhal asida Manipur gi Assembly Constituency 19 da lairiba voter singna vote thadanagani amaromda ani suba phase ta pangthokadoriba Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency gi mikhalna April 16 ta vote thadanagani masigi dama Gazette notification lakliba March 19 da thoklagani mirep che pisin begi aroiba numina April 3 da amadi mirep che singi scrutiny na April 5 da pangthokani mirep che lauthokpagi aroiba numina April 9 da oigani mikhalna April 16 ta pangthoklaba matung vote masing June 3 da thigani panbayai madudi outer gi mikhal asida punna Assembly Constituency 19 gi voter singna vote thadanagani outer constituency da tampaki AC Nepal yauri Manipur gi oina handak pangthokadoriba Lok Sabha gi mikhal asigi damak final electoral roll gi matung ina vote thadaba yaba voter masing asipuna lakuntaruk lising la ngapigani lakun lising kuntaruk chatrukka kulhumdoini masigi manungda nupa voter masingna lak mapan lising humdramapan ga chatruk humdrani pani aduga nupi voter na laktara lising nifutaruka chatre supna tarukni masigi mathakta third gender dana voter masing chani ga kuntra mapana vote thadaba yagani handaki mikhal asida Manipur gi oina nauna voter oiraba masing haibadi new voter masing asi lising 19 ga chamaga maudrama thoini ngasi pangthokiba paugi mifam aduda Chief Electoral Officer 𝗓𝗡𝗓 𝗔𝗣𝗥 irang nanglaba Manipur gi oina haujik tongan ba relep kem singda lanjelaktuna leiriba voter sing haibadi internally displaced person sing gi oina masa gi relep kem sing aduda vote thadanaba thorang election commission na lokhatle haiki ngasi gi mikhal gi matam laukthoki baga loinana model code of conduct khudak tegi chatnaba hokre political party sing amadi mirep sing na model code of conduct chapchana ingadabani haina su CEO na phongdokhi
Deputy Commissioners who also develop as the district magistrates and the SPs. So adequate paramilitary forces are being deployed in the state during the elections. Also there is a system where even the license holders have to deposit their arms in the police stations. So for that the necessary notifications have already been issued. Some of the districts they have shared their relevant orders today itself. And regarding illegal arms, that is something that is a matter of concern, and our security forces are on the job. And I'm very sure with that, with the deployment of paramilitary forces and our police forces, that issue will be taken care of. Number of general observers, police observers, and expenditure observers are likely to be deployed in the state. The contact details of observers will be made available once communicated by ECI, and also the ROs have been informed that once the observers reach the state, they report here, their contact details will be made available. That will be given in the media also, so that people who want to raise any issue or concern with our observers can be done through the contact number that will be given.